Hello, my name is Njeri Charity, and this is my 5th grade class here at Baker Elementary. Today we are going to be learning about probability, sample space, combinations, and the fundamental counting principle. All right, good morning, STAR students.
Good morning, Miss Charity.
Oh my goodness, I just have to say something. I know you guys, when you came in this morning, everybody had a confused look on their face because you saw these clothes sitting up here and you were like, what is going on? I promise you I will get to that, but it's a little confusing, isn't it? But I promise you it has something to do with our math lesson today, all right? Now, I have a word on the board. Can anybody raise their hand and tell me what that word is? What is that word, Corey? Combinations. Combinations. So combinations are when we take things and we kind of mix them together, mix and match. So for one example of a combination, can you guys see this? This is ice cream. Has anybody ever been to, I don't know, Dairy Queen, Cold Stone Creamery? So, great. Yes, Sweet Frog. Okay, great. So there's different combinations that you can get at those places, right? You could get vanilla in a cone with sprinkles, or you could get strawberry in a cup with chocolate syrup. Those things are what you call combinations, okay? There's another example I want to give. There's this hot stuff that you can eat. You can put like pepperoni on it. You know what I'm talking about? Pepperoni or sausage or green peppers. If you know what it is, when I count to 3, I want you to say it. 1, 2, 3.
Pizza!
Pizza, right? You know, you can actually have all different combinations of pizza. You can even have different types of crust, different types of toppings. So combinations have a lot to do with math. What part of math do they have to do with? Probability. And you guys have heard of probability before, right?
Yes.
Right, exactly. So probability is the chance of an event occurring. So last year in 4th grade, I'm sure you all talked about how an event can be impossible, like it's not going to happen no matter what, or an event can be certain, it's going to happen no matter what, right? And then you have unlikely, likely, equally likely. But today we're going to be focusing on something a little different. And that is sample space. And I know you're like, well, what is sample space? So a sample space actually represents all the possible outcomes of an experiment. So for example, if you had a coin and you were flipping if you had 2 coins and were flipping them and you could find out, is one going to be heads, is one going to be tails, or both going to be heads, or both going to be tails, or you could have different outcomes with a spinner. So a sample space represents the fact that sometimes an experiment has multiple possible combinations of outcomes. So you guys have your whiteboards and markers, right?
Yes.
Because you're going to need them for this next question. So Louise, she's going to have a snack, okay? So the picture in the chart shows her choices for a cookie and a drink. So the choices she has for a drink, she can have milk or she can have bottled water, okay? And for the snack, she can get a cookie. Here's her different types of cookies she can get. She can get a chocolate chip cookie, she can get a chocolate stripe cookie, or she can get a sugar cookie, okay? So there's all different type of combinations you could have, right? You could have milk with a striped cookie or water with a chocolate chip cookie. My question is, if you think about it, how many possible combinations do you think there are for Louise? How many, do you think she'll have like 10 different combinations? Bless you. 12, 5? I want you to think about that. Think about that for about 30 seconds. And whatever guess you come up with, I want you to write that number down on your board. How many combinations do you think there are for Louise? How many? Okay. I see some people writing. Some people are still thinking. How many possible combinations does Louise have to choose from? Okay. All right. Can you all hold up your boards and show me? Okay. So I see some 6s, I see 10, I see 11, 4, I see some 5s, I see a 3, a 5. Thank you so much. I see 11. Okay, put your boards down, put your markers back down. So I'm gonna show you a sample space and I'm gonna show you all the different possible combinations, all right? So first of all, Louise could get milk and she could get a chocolate chip cookie. That's one combination. She could get milk and a chocolate stripe cookie. She could also get milk and a sugar cookie. Oops. All right. Those are her combinations for milk. Now let's look at her combinations for water. We have water and I love when my board does that. Water and a chocolate chip cookie, water and a chocolate stripe cookie, and water and a sugar cookie. Those are the possible combinations. So if you said 6 possible combinations, guess what? You were actually correct. Good job. Very good job. For the people that said 6, do you want to share what made you say 6? What made you say 6?
Because I counted the cookies, and I counted the cookies 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
There's 2 options.
Oh, okay.
And I knew that it would be 6 times. It would be 3 times 2.
Wow.
And 3 times 2.
Wow. Very good, Trinity. That was a good strategy. All right. Wow. Well, thank you. All right. So sample spaces, because this is a sample space, this is showing all the different combinations, but you can actually organize sample spaces in different ways. So this is what you call a tree diagram. Oh, I know what it is. It's because my clothes are hitting the board. Okay. This is a tree diagram. So a tree diagram represents the sample space I just showed you, but it just uses branches like a tree. So this would represent water and a sugar cookie, water and the stripe cookie, water and the chocolate chip cookie. Same thing over here. Milk and the sugar cookie, milk and the stripe cookie, milk and the chocolate chip cookie. Or you have what is called a list, right? And then we're just writing the words down. The same exact combinations as we have in the tree diagram and as we have in the sample space I just showed you, except we're writing it down. Some people like tree diagrams, some people like lists. It's whatever you prefer, but they all are sample spaces that show possible combinations. Yes, but Miss Charity, what does that have to do with your clothes? I'm glad you asked, right? The reason I brought my clothes in for this lesson, there are 2 reasons. One reason is because there are different combinations that you can make with my clothes. And the second reason is that I want you all, you know how we can wear jeans on Friday, right? Like I'm wearing jeans today. I want you all to choose my outfit for next Friday, okay? And these are the choices that you can choose between. But before you do that, you and your team are going to have to figure out how many possible combinations are there for Miss Charity's Friday outfit. So let me tell you about the choices. First of all, I have to have a shirt. So you have the choice between 3 different shirts. This shirt is I call it the cactus shirt. It says 5th grade is on point and it has a cactus. Cute, right? Yeah. You've seen this one before? Okay, I like this one. All right. Then we have my 5th grade teacher squad shirt, okay? One of my students last year, his mom made this for me, and look, my name is on the back. How cool is that? Yeah, it's cool, right? Okay. Or I can wear 5th grade is my jam shirt. and it has like a boom box. I know y'all have no idea what that is, but way back in the day, you do know? Okay. Boom boxes, we used to play our music on. So it says 5th grade is my jam. Okay. So those are the 3 shirts you could choose from. Then I have to have my jeans, right? So these are my light jeans, light colored jeans, or you could choose the dark colored jeans. Okay, all right. Now we gotta have something to wear on my feet, right? We can have me wear the light, I'll call them the light purple Pumas, because they have this light purple color, have some green and black and a little bit of blue. Or you could have the dark, I'll call these the dark purple Pumas, because they have the dark purple and they have the blue, okay? So any combination, that's fine. You guys will vote on that later. But right now, what I want to know is how many possible combinations are there for my Friday outfit. So you are going to work together with your team to figure that out. Now, I'm going to provide you with some tools to help you. First of all, you have to remember that each outfit combination will have 1 shirt, 1 pair of jeans, and 1 pair of shoes. Now, I am going to give each table one of these baggies. In these baggies, there are little cards that represent each of these items of clothing. So they'll say dark jeans, white squad shirt, 5th grade squad shirt, 5th grade cactus shirt. It has all different items of clothing represented. You can use these to help you. I'm also going to give each team, and y'all don't need to open that yet. I'm going to give each team a piece of chart paper. Remember, I asked you to have your markers in your bin? So remember I showed you the list just now and the tree diagram? If you prefer to do a list and you want to write out what the different combinations are, that works too. That can be very, very helpful. All right, so do you all have any questions before we start? Because you are going to have 7 minutes to work on this. So there is a little bit of a rush. May I make a suggestion? Oh, also, I put some calculators just in case you needed them. Just in case. If you would like to get up so that you all can kind of work together and talk together, I would prefer that. Please don't just sit there and look at each other. Talk to each other and work on it, okay? It's a challenge. Y'all love working together. Okay? Yes, thank you. Thank you for that enthusiasm, table 4. All right. I am going to put the timer on, but I'm not starting it yet. Do we have any questions? I just want to make sure.
No.
No? Okay.
And these are the last ones.
And table 3, you all can get up if you want. You don't have to
Okay.
just sit there. Y'all can get up and talk to each other.
Okay.
Oh, I love it.
What should we go with first?
Okay,
Should we go
well,
with the light jeans?
so we should first start with light jeans first. First light jeans. You can start.
So we're gonna need to put that on the. Wait a minute. Okay. What should we do?
You guys want to put that? Oh, okay.
Should we do the
Oh, yeah. And then we should do that little shirt.
Yeah, whatever you guys vote on, we'll have a class vote at the end. Whatever you vote on is what I'll
I
wear
was
next
thinking of
Friday.
that other one, like the little.
Outfit, yeah. You're showing me how many combinations I can have.
Or should we make a list?
I'll let you pick my outfit later.
Yeah, we should go make a list. So I'm gonna write the list up here.
Can I make a suggestion? Can I make a suggestion? Can I make a suggestion for this table? Take this paper and lay it this way, and you all come over here because you'll have more room. You're bunched up right there.
Okay, so list.
Go ahead and grab the paper and put it over here, guys.
Draw some space out.
Cause I want to draw it like that.
Okay, so a list. So what's first? So we have.
There you go. I'll help you out.
So we're gonna do the light. We'll do the light jeans.
So dark.
Let's
we'll have to
move
write
this
this
stuff
out
back
after.
so we can have all the room on the
So
table.
dark jeans with
Move that stuff back.
fifth grade jeans.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that.
Perfect.
Then what else? Light jeans.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I was thinking a fifth grade squash shirt. Let's do the white. Let's do the white. Can I get the light jeans? Where is the shoes at? Oh.
And please remember, you are choosing my outfit at the end.
Okay,
Right now,
so
I want to know
let's get
how many
the black
possible
markers.
combinations are there for my outfit.
Right, the graph.
Sure, that's why you, absolutely, you have the markers. Please write a list. That's fine. That was a great question, Mackenzie.
Of our combinations, we could do dark jeans.
She's showing you all the different combinations.
And like purple pullovers. We could do that. So we could do dark jeans. And then we'll have. Wait,
Why don't you just write the number?
I'm writing the list.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, she said write a list.
And I want to make sure that we understand. I see a lot of people talking about what outfit they want me to wear, and that's beautiful. But please do not forget, I need to know how many possible combinations are there for my outfits, okay? All right, I promise you're going to get to vote for the outfit.
Squash shirt.
Yeah. That's 2. Give me one back.
And then
Look
we need
at you.
shirts.
Which shirt?
Oh, we need all of them. Okay, so we have 6. I mean, we have 12.
And then what are we going to do?
2, 4, 6. We have 6. And
I put 3.
now let's do the line.
Wait, 3.
3, 6, 9, 12. Wait, we have more than 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18.
You have about 3 more minutes.
So what are we going to do?
You don't have to write it out. All I want you to do is on someone's whiteboard for your team, write down how many combinations you think I can have. How many different combinations do you think I can have?
This is our other combination.
I found a combination.
Do y'all agree with this answer? Because it's just 5 times 2. It might be more. Because remember, they don't have to match. You don't want your teacher to look good? What?
We're not picking out that thing yet.
But there's.
I gave y'all 2 extra minutes because it looks like some people need a little more time.
Oh no. It's not 10. It's not 10. It's. Right to have one combination? Yeah. Oh, these are basically the same. Just changing the shirt. Ooh. What if we change the shirt to everyone? It's this.
Okay.
Are we doing it?
I think you're doing well.
Because we're like.
That's 1 combination and that's 2 combinations. I think there's a lot more combinations than that though. I think.
Okay, we're gonna have to count. Okay, what about, okay, we got the,
Go ahead.
we have more money.
So, at this time, please make sure at least one person at your table has written down the number that your team came up with for how many possible combinations I could have for my outfit next Friday. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet. Alrighty. So I'm gonna ask one person from each table and you are I'll just ask whoever. You will just let me know what your table decided. So I'll start with table 1. Haley, do you want to tell me how many combinations did you all come up with? 27. So you think there's 27 combinations, table 1? Y'all agree? Okay. Table 2, what do you all think?
6.
You think there's 6 possible combinations, okay? Table 3, what do you all think?
18.
You say 18, okay. All right. Table 4, what do you all say?
9.
You say 9. And table 5, what do you all say?
10.
You say 10. Okay. All right, so, okay, so listen. We're going to find out how many combinations there actually are. So look up here. I'm going to tell you. Give me a drum roll. The total number of combinations is, what happened to my drum roll? 12. Nobody got it right. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Calm down, calm down. It's okay, it's okay. Cherish, what did you want to say? Because I'm going to show you all why it's 12, but go ahead.
We was gonna decide to do 12 because I pulled out the calculator and I put 2 times 3 times 2.
You did?
Yes.
Why? What made you do that? What made you do
I
that?
counted the jeans and I counted the shoes and I counted the shirts, so I put them all together and we got 12. But then we went on here and we got 18.
Interesting. So you are saying, I hear someone talking. I must be hearing things. You're saying that there's 3 shirts, there's 2 pairs of jeans, and there's 2 pairs of shoes. So you did 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. And that's what you were sticking with. But then you said when you got the cards, you thought it was 18. Well, let's talk about that. I took the time and I did a tree diagram of my outfits, and I did a list. And what you notice, the important thing about doing a sample space is that every single combination has to be accounted for. So I could wear the 5th grade squad shirt with the dark blue jeans or with the light blue jeans. I could wear it with dark blue jeans and dark purple Pumas, or with dark blue jeans and light purple Pumas. You see how I'm accounting for every single possible combination? And to know how many there are at the end, all I have to do is count my last branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then, this is the same exact thing. It's just in words, it's a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every possible combination. But Cherish, I want to tell you something. Because, by the way, if you don't feel like doing a tree diagram or writing out a list for your sample space, there is a quicker way to find out how many combinations there are, no matter how many choices there are. And it is called the fundamental counting principle. And that can be used to determine the total number of outcomes when there are multiple choices or events. It's the product of the number of outcomes for each choice that can be chosen individually. So the way you just said, 3 shirts times 2 pairs of jeans times 2 pairs of shoes, you were absolutely right. That's called the fundamental counting principle. So 3 times 2 times 2 is 12. That is the total number of combinations. So let me ask you this. You see I have on black boots, right?
Yeah.
Let's say I add the black boots to my shoe choices. I won't have 12 different combinations now. Oh. Can you write down on your board? If you need to use a calculator, that's cool. But I know some of my kids use the fundamental counting principle. If I add boots to the shoe choices, how many combinations can I have? That is fine if you need the calculator. That's why I put them in the bin. Write it down, but don't show me until I ask for it. And you can talk with your team, that's fine. You wouldn't do 2 times 1. You're just adding the pair of boots to the shoe choices. So instead of 2 choices for shoes, you have 3 choices for shoes. Can you please show me what you think? Oh, wow. 18 is absolutely right. Good job. Thank you for watching our lesson today. I really hope you enjoyed it.
Go